It's a warm summer night. The sun is just dropped behind the trees, and the air is thick and still. Then, one blink, then another. Within minutes, an entire field is pulsing with tiny green lights, like the grass itself is breathing stars. We call them fireflies, some call them lightning bugs, but almost nobody stops to ask the question that actually matters. Why does a bug make its own light? The answer isn't just romance. It's a story of chemistry, deception, war, and even literal moonshots to the surface of other worlds. Here's the first mindbender. Firefly light is often called cold light because almost 100% of the energy becomes light, not heat. Compare that to a regular incandescent bulb, which wastes most of its energy as heat. Fireflies are, pound for pound, more efficient than most human-made lighting technology. Inside a firefly's abdomen is a molecule called luciferin. When it mixes with oxygen, an enzyme called luciferase, and the energy molecule ATP, the same molecule that powers your muscles right now, it triggers a reaction that releases photons, light made to order inside a living body. And the firefly can turn it on and off like a switch thanks to precise bursts of oxygen delivered to the light-producing cells. It's essentially biological Morse code. But this light isn't just mood lighting, it's a language. Each firefly species has its own unique flash pattern, a specific rhythm, color, and duration. Think of it as a name tag written in light. Males fly around flashing their species' signature pattern. Females, usually waiting in the grass, watch carefully and answer back with their own matching flash, but only if they like what they see. It's an actual conversation conducted entirely in blinking light, happening in the dark right above your lawn. Some species can even flash in near-perfect unison across hundreds of individuals, so entire trees appear to pulse on and off together like a string of Christmas lights with a mind of its own. Scientists still debate exactly why synchronization evolved, but one leading idea is that unison makes it easier for females to judge timing and pick the best partner amid the chaos. Now here's the incredible part, the part most people never learn. There's a group of firefly species in the genus Photurus, and the females have learned to fake another species' flash pattern. A male from a completely different species sees what looks like a promising signal, flies in expecting romance, and gets eaten instead. Scientists call this behavior femme fatale mimicry, and it's one of the only known examples in nature of a predator using a rival species' own mating code against it. The glow that looks like an invitation to love is actually, for some unlucky males, a trap. So that soft, magical light in the backyard, for a firefly, it can be a pickup line or a loaded weapon. And this isn't just a quirky bit of nature trivia. That firefly chemistry reshaped modern science. Because the luciferin-luciferase reaction only glows in the presence of ATP, researchers use it as a built-in detector for living cells. It's used to test water and food for bacterial contamination, to study how cancer cells grow, and even to check whether there might be microbial life on other planets. Because if there's ATP, there's a good chance there's life. A firefly blinking over your porch at night is quietly running the same chemical trick that helps scientists search for life on Mars. So the next time you see that soft blink drifting across a summer evening, remember what's actually happening. It's not just decoration, it's a signal, a language, sometimes a trap, and one of the most efficient light sources ever produced by a living thing. A tiny insect, quietly glowing in the dark, and somehow still one of the most astonishing chemists on Earth.